A patron asked me to paint an Arctic fox. So here I am in my studio. I'm going to work on this now. But there's a lot of work that goes into such a painting before I even start to paint. And I'm going to show you some of that. First of all, I've painted foxes before. I've seen foxes, but I've never been to the Arctic and I've never seen an Arctic fox. So I have to go do a lot of research online and look around and see what do these things look like and what does the Arctic look like. And I did that. Thank heavens for the internet. Good old Mr. Google. In the old days, I had to go to the library and do this kind of research. So anyway, looked at that, and then I did pencil sketches. She specified a size, I think it's 9 by 16. So I did pencil sketches of how it might look with or without a skyline. And then after I did that, I did some paint sketches of how it might look. These were done with watercolor pens. And though I actually like this one the best, I'll probably wind up doing this one. I just can't leave that color alone, or else I'll do two, whatever. So now I'm going to get the good paper out. This is just the cheap paper that comes in a pad from, I guess I bought it online sometime. And the good paper, of course, is Arches, which costs a pretty penny. But I'm so spoiled with Arches paper, I must have it for final paintings. Never happy with just one for a patron, I painted a second one on Arches paper. Then I painted a third one, which is the one that the patron chose. Unfortunately, I didn't video it. This is a recent painting of a cat named Henry. Here's a painting of a Spanish dance called Paso de Iloilo. This was for a patron, very elaborate painting. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.